Hello everyone, let's dive into the Fienpooad Star Shower Window Movie Projector Kit. This gadget promises to bring holiday cheer right to your window, and we're here to see if it delivers. First impressions. The projector is a clean white, shaped like a star, which is fitting considering its purpose. The plastic shade material keeps things lightweight and easy to handle. The projector finish looks decent enough, blending in without being too flashy. The main draw is the light source, a projector capable of displaying 12 different modes. This kit aims to cover both Christmas and Halloween with its selection of animations, including the classic pumpkin lantern. Setting it up is straightforward. The kit is designed for outdoor decoration, so it's built to withstand some minor weather conditions, though it's always wise to take precautions during heavy rain or snow. The projector is easy to position, allowing for adjustments to get the image just right on your window. The picture quality is surprisingly good, especially in a darkened room. The animations are clear and bright enough to be seen from the street, creating a festive atmosphere. The 12 modes offer a decent variety, keeping things interesting throughout the holiday season. From spooky Halloween scenes to heartwarming Christmas visuals, there's something for everyone. One thing to note is the viewing angle. For the best experience, viewers should be relatively straight on with the window. Extreme angles can distort the image. Also, the brightness is optimal in darker environments, so minimizing ambient light inside the house will enhance the projection. The Fienpooad Star Shower isn't without its minor drawbacks. The plastic construction feels a bit lightweight, and while it seems durable enough for seasonal use, it might not withstand rough handling. Also, while the 12 modes are a good start, some users might crave more variety or the ability to upload their own content. Overall, the Fienpooad Star Shower Window Movie Projector Kit is a fun and easy way to add some holiday magic to your home. It's simple to set up, offers a good selection of animations, and provides a visually appealing display. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to decorate for Christmas and Halloween, this projector is definitely worth considering. It transforms any window into a captivating display, bringing joy to both young and old.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.